This is a Sony ZV-E10 II, and actually I just got it recently. And also this is the SanDisk 64GB Extreme Pro that I've got plus it. So actually I'm going to do a quick unboxing video, and let's open it. Opening the camera, you literally have a lot of stuff in there, but not enough to go along with it. But you can literally use it for the meantime. You get the manuals, which has many languages in it: English, Mandarin, and so much more. And also you have the camera holder, which is literally long for holding it. And also you get the main camera, which is the Sony ZV-E10, and the kite lens is attached to it already. As you can see, the lens cap is already attached to it, and also you don't have the battery inside. The battery is also outside, you just have to put it inside, and so there's no memory card in that. And one feature I love about this is you can literally turn the screen 360 for content creators and live streamers. You literally have to look at what you're doing before you get to press the button. And also I was trying to remove the kite lens, but didn't have any idea how to remove it. But right now I know how to remove it, so no worries. And this is where you have to put the battery in when you have it. Alright, it's very nice, compact, and also lightweight. I really love it. This is the battery, which can take up to 610 pictures or constant very long video before the battery runs down. And also this is the diffuser, which is literally going to help you diffuse any noise when you're recording, and it's really effective when you put it on. This camera have a lot of features I really love, starting with the imaging and sensor. This camera have a sensor type of APS-C, SMO, RBSI, CMOS sensor, which is really good and effective. And also you have 26 megapixels, and it can take approximately 19.9 megapixels and in movies, and also can take 26 megapixels still images, which is really cool. And actually it has total resolution of 27 megapixels, and also image processor is Bionis SR, which is really cool. Maximum resolution of up to 4K. That's also cool. So one thing literally get everybody crazy about the Sony ZV-E10 II is there's no IBS. There's no IBS, which is the in-body image stabilization, but it has a mechanical IBIS, which uses digital active electronic stabilization for video, which applies a minor crop, but you can literally go along with that. And also it has electronic shutter and no mechanic shutter, so it's really cool. And it can take a continuous shooting speed up to 11 frames per second. And when it comes to the videography features, you have video resolution and frame rate, which is 4K, and also up to 60 pixels. And it can take full HD, 1080, and also up to 120 pixels for high speed slow motion, which is kind of cool. And it has a lot of autofocus and a lot of features that you can go along with that. I would literally like to tell you more, but I can't. So here are some of the pictures I took with this Sony ZV-E10, and another video which I literally recorded myself with the microphone inside. So here is it. How do you see it? Not feeling like I actually have to do this.